Hey y'all, if you want to see how I got my hair like this, keep watching. So as you guys can see, your girl ended up bringing the hair back to life. If you watch my videos, this hair was once blonde and then I ended up dyeing it the color that it is now. So yeah, I definitely recycle my wigs so I don't just toss them out. Bear with me. I know some parts are not good. I'm not gonna straighten them all the way. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I was just kind of like, okay, I started it. I have to finish. So yeah, I just kind of got the job done. But I know some parts are kind of still curled. So here I'm just trying to get the top really flat. So I just went in with some foaming lotion, and then I just went over it with the curling wand. Sorry I had to do a little pose for y'all because, you know, your girl look cute. I mean, I ain't got no makeup on. Come on now. So, in order to create the bangs, what I did was just comb some hair in the front and I just flat ironed it to try to mold it so that, you know, it would stay. I'm brushing it down and I'm just going to repeat that step until I'm ready to cut it just so I can get it to mold. So, my only advice when creating a bang would be start long, never start short, and make sure the wig is on your head. Most people like to create a bang when the wig is on the mannequin. I would make sure you put the wig on your head and start long, like I'm doing right here. Therefore, if you start long, and of course, if it's too long, you can always cut. If you cut it too short, you can never go back. So, always start long, and you can always cut short. And here I'm just going to repeat those steps until I'm satisfied with how my bang looks. Alrighty, and here we are. We turned our closure wig into a wig with a bang. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.